Yeah.
Guys, did I do a front flip off the swing road? Did I jump out the porch? What you think? I hit that great swing when I got up there. I pulled up and gave myself a boost and did a front flip.
I have a minnow by my foot.
Come on, Justin!
He's trying to convince me not to.
Joey, hush. Justin, you'll be fine.
Come on, he already did it. You're gonna look like a puss.
Yeah.
Woo!